What if I told you that you could master how to make a safari suit, all right, or a suit, okay, a female suit, a male suit, within a matter of just days, okay? As a fashion designer, if truly you haven't mastered the art of making a suit, I think you need to join this class right now, okay? I'll bring to you my amazing suit masterpiece course, all right? My amazing suit masterpiece course. Female suits, male suit, safari suit. Believe me, with my class, you have met your final boss stop as far as learning how to make a suit is concerned. If you're interested, guys, that's my number on the screen. Okay, there's also a link in the description. Click the link to join the Suit Masterpiece class, or that's my number on the screen. Chat me up, and I tell you, you will not regret joining this class. If I've seen this video, you might not see it again. So I think it's better you act now. All right. So it's very easy, step by step, from pattern drafting to cutting to gumming to lining, every aspect of suit making. Believe me. And I'm there to put you through from the beginning to the end, okay? I'm not just coming to sell a course and walk away. No. I'm there to put you through from the beginning to the end, all right? So what are you waiting for? Your time starts now, all right? Let's go.